Okay, let's take a sneak peek into contest Team Z. So this time, Mr. Lowe's giving us the data of the marshmallow being catapulted, and it's given in a graph. So the first thing we need to do is question number 7, generating a table of values that shows some of the different locations of the marshmallow as it flew through the air. Now the graph's not going to be as precise, but let's come up with some approximate values. So if we take a look, kind of going from left to right, looks like we've got approximately 11, 0. If we look right at 12, looks like we got about 19. If we go to whenever it's 15, looks like about 86. Remember, we're trying to make some close approximations the best we can. If we go up to about 19, looks like is that very tip point. It's about 88. At 21, it's about 82. And 24, it's right about, I'd say 53. And let's go for one more. Let's go 27 and 0. So now let's analyze some of the data that we got. So it's asking us what is the maximum height that marshmallow can reach. Well, folks, when we're asked that maximum height, remember that's asking us for the vertex. And specifically, we're going to be looking for the y value of that vertex. So folks, based on our data that we came up with, our vertex would be that highest point, which would be our maximum. So our vertex would be at approximately 19, 88. So its maximum height would be about 88. When it's asking us for how far it's been hurled, remember that that is comparing the distance between our zeros. So we said our zeros were approximately 11 and 27. So if we subtract our difference, we're going to get that it was hurled about 16 feet. Now, this is based off of our graph, which we said was closer to an approximation. So from there, to help check our work, let's get the equation using our table of values. So now let's head over to Desmos or our graphing calculators, and remember what you did for step 1 and see if you can go ahead and get us the equation here for Team C. Once you've got your equation, you can check just how close our vertex and our distance hurled is by finding your vertex and your zeros. Then go ahead and finish up by answering questions 10 and 11 and placing all 3 on the graph and making some comparisons. Have a great day, guys.